about 200,000? How about 2 million? How about we just keep on adding zeros until our heads pop off? How about DoorDash send me an order? How about that? That actually sounds better. How about DoorDash send me an order? Grubhub got a mission starting soon, but it don't matter if they ain't sending me no order. That's the mission I want. That's the mission I want. Okay, so we got a $3 peak pay on Grubhub. Grubhub got a $3 peak pay. They just activated right now. Well, that's nice, but I mean, I need an order. And I'm on the schedule too, so if they don't send me an order, that's all well and good, but it don't mean nothing because the peak pay only matters if you complete an order. Spark got a $32 bonus if you do 5 orders today and tomorrow. I believe it. How about $1 in some envelopes? How much you made till now, bro? It feels later than what it is. It do. It definitely do. Wingstop 250, 12 miles. It should be a lot of Wingstop orders tonight, though, for real. Not that I'm necessarily trying to go there, though. We need 9 more subscribers, guys. We need 9 more. Oh, hell yeah. We need 9 more. Hold up. We can make it to 9. We definitely can make it to 9. That ain't shit. Kyle, hit that subscribe button for me. Oh shit, we need 8 more. Hit that subscribe for me, Naturally Toasty. What's up with you? Hope you're having a good evening. I'm trying to hit a new milestone on YouTube. 28,200 subscribers. What's up, Brittany? You made it back? 9 p.m. Let's go. We only need 7 more. 7 more subscribers, guys. And we need 7 more subscribers and 1 DoorDash order. Hope y'all having a good night enjoying the live stream. If you've been here rocking with me all night, I appreciate it. If you're just not joining, I appreciate that too. We need 7 more. I can unsub and then resub. I don't think that helps, but I appreciate the sentiment. We just need 7 more. If we get an order and we get a few more people up in here, we'll definitely get 7 more. Well, I guess we need 6 more now. 6 more to go. Greetings from Morocco. Shout out to Kamal in Morocco. Although I don't know what you're talking about. We talking about DoorDash and me trying to grow my channel. Appreciate that, Kyle. Now send me a DoorDash order too. 1 to 5 minutes. We'll see about that. I don't believe that no more after waiting 1 to 5 hours. I don't believe that. Let's go. We need 6 more subscribers. 5 more subscribers. 4 more subscribers. Who's gonna be the lucky last one? I appreciate that, Kyle. God bless you as well. I did, though. 200 subscribers in less than 24 hours. That's pretty awesome, though. Shout out to the 200 brand new subscribers. Let's go. Let's go. 2 more. and we're gonna see